digital image into a tactile image for an intermediate level user. Let's continue the editing of the picture. It's very common that we want to remove an element from our picture. For example, this cloud here. All we have to do is turn it into white color. We use the fill tool and we fill the cloud with white color. You can see that there is a line around the cloud that is still in a gray color. We can hit another one time the fill color and we see that this line disappeared. Otherwise, if we go back and this line remains, we can use the draw tool here and selecting the white color, selecting here the size of the brush, we can go manually and make this line with a white color, so actually disappeared because it has the same color with the background. So now we removed this cloud and we save again our file with a new name as a PNG. What we have to do is convert our picture in SVG format file. SVG files are incredibly practical because SVG is a vector format. They look great at any size. They don't lose any data when compressed, and this is highly recommended for 3D printing. So even there are a lot of online applications on converting images into different formats. We can use the same application, the image to stl.com, and here in the menu there is a section image to SVG, PNG to SVG. We have already selected, and what we have to do is select the file that we created without the cloud and convert it to SVG. Download our file. The next step is, as we said, for the intermediate level users, we will use the Tinkercad online software, which is a design software, an online design environment. Let's go here. Here is the Autodesk Tinkercad design environment. I have already created an account for Enable Greece, and we go to the main panel, we go to designs, here designs, and we select a new design, 3D design. Well, we have a lot of design possibilities here, but we will try to keep it simple. So actually what you have to do is import a base for your design. We have already created a base for you that you can find it in our website and also in the web in the guidebook of converting an image into a 3D tactile image. You can find this material in the Stories4ALL website. Import this base. Okay, so here is the base. The dimension of this base is a paper of A5 size. That means it's almost 210 millimeters width and 148 millimeters height. And then we import the SVG file, the picture without the cloud, in our design panel. Here it's very probably that you must adjust the scaling of the image. You can see here the dimensions. They are pretty large for this design, so you will need some testing here. I make this 12, I think even smaller, 10, import. Okay, and you will see that my SVG file has been inserted here. I can remove it and locate it exactly in the place that I want to put this mountain, with the egg rolling in the mountain. And I select this shape, the mountain, and here in the little middle square, in the middle white square, I press here and adjust the height of this element. So let's say that I want that 3 millimeters. Perfect. And now I select everything in my design. Or also I have the ability not to select everyone, and I can select this ability in the next panel here. Sorry, export. Everything in the design you can see here. Otherwise, if I have selected one specific space, then I could select the option here, selected shapes, but I need everything in the design into an STL. And now automatically I have these elements, all this object in my design panel exported into an STL file. Now this object is ready to be 3D printed in a 3D printer.